In this video, we are going to learn about the powerful 1-minute scalping strategy that is used by the experienced traders, and you can try this strategy on Forex, crypto, stocks, and anywhere that you can see that the trading view supports the market. You can use this strategy. So before I go to the strategy, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, the link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, now move towards the strategy. The strategy that we are using today is PMAX Explorer strategy and screener, and that is by Kivans Osbijalik, and you can see that it's highly used. That's why it has 12,104 favorites right now. And the second indicator that we will be using, you can see that it is already attached on our chart, and the second indicator that we will be using is the moving average exponential, right? So this is without any author, so please make sure that you just need to use the simple moving average. Okay, now we have to make some settings into the first indicator that we attached, and here we are going to change the ATR length from 10 to 12 and the ATR multiplier to 4. And then you can see that we have a show screen label here, so we will uncheck this one so that it should look pretty good on our screen. Okay, now you can see our screen is much clearer. Okay, now we are going towards the exponential moving average settings, and then here we are going to change the length to 200, and then we are going into the style section, and we need to change it into the yellow color for the 200 period moving average, right? This is the exponential moving average. Now guys, I'm going to show you the magic of this indicator, because this strategy is giving very good perfect results. All you just need is to take care of the 200 EMA and the plus signals that is given by the PMAX indicator. So for example, you have a sell signal, short signal that was -2, but you can see it was completely rejected. The only reason because the market was into the uptrend, and 200 EMA was telling you already that we are into the uptrend, and you can see then we have received a long signal and it's going into the upward direction. So let's go back and check the other signals on the gold. So that's why I'm going to minimize my screen a little bit. Okay, long signal, you can see a perfect entry, right? Okay, so while using this strategy, please make sure that you please do not use the very high lot sizes, because sometimes it goes for the little bit retracement. So for example, let's talk about this area. So for example, if you have taken your buy entry from here, you can see that we have the downward trend, little bit downward trend, and then we were into our trend, and you can see I'm checking this height, because if you look at here, then we were easily able to catch a 1.63 ratio here, but later on, as you can see, the market was directing upward and down. So this is the highest peak that it has attained on this level, right? So all you make sure that above the 200 EMA you are going to just take the buy positions, and below the 200 EMA, if you have the sell signal, once sell signal comes below the 200 EMA, then you can go for that one. Look at this long entry, that was pretty well, it was up, and this was our stop loss. If you look at here, that was below the 200 EMA, and we had the sell signal but didn't work. And if you look at here, it's actually the ranging pattern that you can see here. So for the ranging pattern, I have highlighted another indicator that you can use, but I will not recommend in this video, because that is the separate indicator, so you guys will mix up the strategy. Okay, let's go further back. You can see that below the 200 EMA we had the sell signal, so long trades are coming in our favor, right? So this is the only way you can make a very good profitable scalping strategy, even on gold, futures, currency pairs, and crypto market. You can beat the market. Just make sure that you should be a little bit patience enough. Otherwise, if you will be using high lot size, then you can have a little bit rejection, because here you can see we have a long signal, it's pumping up, but sometimes it just goes little bit down and then it moves up. So a bit late entry into the strategy works very well. So guys, please let me know about your thoughts about this indicator into the comment section. Moreover, at the end, I will again say I am using the Exness broker from 2015, highly regulated, and never had any problem with the deposit and the withdrawals. Fast withdrawals are available. You can join this broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.